Wait, before you keep scrolling, what if I told you there are gadgets out there that don't just look cool? They actually change how you live. No overhyped junk, no filler, just straight up tech that hits hard, works harder, and makes people stop and stare. I'm talking desk upgrades, travel must-haves, smart tools, and stuff you didn't know you needed until right now. Welcome to Fun Tech Blaze, where we find the tech worth your time and your money. Smash that subscribe button because this list, you're going to want to share it. Every link is sitting in the description. Let's go. 3D. Persistence of vision LED clock. You don't read this clock, you experience it. A spinning disc combined with precision LED rings creates a jaw-dropping 3D holographic illusion. And no, there's no screen, just pure light. It works using a principle called persistence of vision, where your brain stitches together spinning light trails into what looks like time floating in midair. And it doesn't stop at hours and minutes. This thing runs live, moving animations in real time, silent, hypnotic, completely futuristic. Set it on your desk and watch everyone in the room go quiet. Because this isn't a clock. This is kinetic art that just happens to tell time. 2. Jet engine wireless charging desk fan. First look, you'd swear this is a miniature jet engine. And honestly, the vibe isn't far off. Power it on and those blades spin up with a cool LED glow, pushing real airflow like a turbine on your desk. But here's where it gets wild. Just drop your phone on top and boom, wireless charging kicks in automatically. A fan, a charger, and a full-on futuristic desk centerpiece, all in one unit. Whether it's your gaming setup, home office, or bedroom, this thing delivers function and flex. It's not decoration, it's working tech that turns heads. 3. Portable countertop ice maker you're hosting. The drinks are cold, the vibes are right. Then someone asks for ice, and you've got nothing. Sound familiar? Never again. This compact ice maker produces fresh ice in minutes, anywhere you need it. Kitchen, road trip, camping, a hotel room. Plug it in, add water, and you're stacking cubes on demand. No plumbing, no bulk, no waiting. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and built to travel. Whether it's late night drinks or weekend hangs, you'll always be ready. This isn't just a gadget, it's your personal on-demand ice factory. 4. USB-powered mini laser engraver, big creativity, tiny footprint. This is one of the smallest laser engravers ever built, and it's an absolute beast. Plug it in via USB, load your design, and you're engraving in minutes flat. Wood, leather, acrylic, metal coatings, phone cases, clean, precise, professional results every single time. At just 320 grams, it sits right on your desk without taking over your life. No complicated setup, no industrial equipment. Just connect, design, and engrave. Custom gifts, personal projects, or even a side hustle. This thing makes it all possible. This isn't a machine, it's creativity on demand. 5. Pin-protected military-grade encrypted USB drive. Your USB drive carries everything: passwords, private files, work documents, personal data. But right now, anyone who grabs it can plug it straight in. That ends today. This encrypted drive requires a physical pin just to connect. No pin, zero access. Full stop. It runs military-grade encryption, actively blocks brute force attacks, and self-locks after too many failed attempts. No software installs, works on any device. Your data sits behind a wall that even the most determined person can't break through. This isn't a USB drive, it's a vault in your pocket. 6. 5-channel 4K 360 degrees, a smart dash. Cam, think your current dash cam has you covered? Think again. This 5-channel beast captures front, rear, interior, and both side angles simultaneously. Full 360-degree coverage and stunning 4K. While you're parked, it stays on guard with motion detection that auto-wakes the moment anything moves near your car. If there's a crash, the G-sensor locks that footage immediately. No overwriting, no losing the clip. Control everything remotely from your phone. No blind spots, no gaps, no excuses. This isn't just a dash cam. It's a full-time surveillance system built into your car. 7. AI-guided smart precision power drill. Still eyeballing your drill holes and hoping for the best? That's done. This smart power tool guides itself. Built-in rail guides keep every single drill perfectly at 90 degrees. No wobbly hands, no angled mistakes. A real-time screen shows your exact depth down to 0.1 millimeter precision. And under the hood, it auto-adjusts its power output 25,000 times per second to protect your bits and your material. Drill, drive screws, tap threads. One tool, total control. This isn't just power, it's precision in the palm of your hand. 8. 3D Galaxy projector with Bluetooth speaker. Your room is the same 4 walls every single night. That changes right now. This projector transforms your entire ceiling into a living, breathing 3D universe. Planets drifting, oceans flowing, forests swaying all around you. And it's not just a light show. It's a built-in Bluetooth speaker that syncs the audio to the visuals. Chill mode, sleep mode, full party mode. One button flip and your whole atmosphere shifts. Brightness, timer, scene selection, all fully controllable. This isn't lighting, this is a full sensory experience in your bedroom. 9. 6,000 lumen collapsible LED light tower, pitch black, no power, no visibility. Then you crack this open and suddenly everything's lit. This compact stick unfolds into a full 6,000 lumen LED light tower that floods your entire area with bright, clean light. Magnetic base, sticks to your car, your tools, any metal surface. Built-in battery runs for hours, and it can even charge your phone when you need it. Waterproof, packable, and built to handle anything. Whether you're camping, working a job site, or handling an emergency, this is the light that shows up when everything else fails. This isn't a lantern, Gikishi, it's a portable power and lighting system. 10. Heated deep kneading electric foot massager. Long day, tired legs, feet that feel like they've been through war. Slide them in here and just breathe. Dual rolling heads and 6 deep kneading nodes target your arch, your heel, and your toes with surgical accuracy. Crank the heat up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit and feel the tension melt in real time. 3 massage modes, 3 compression levels, remote control, totally customizable to your kind of relief, quiet motor, 0 effort required, just 15 minutes, and your feet feel genuinely brand new. This isn't comfort, this is real recovery from the comfort of your own home. 11. 100 speed ultra thin portable desk fan. It's hot, stuffy, sweaty, unbearable, and your regular fan is doing absolutely nothing. This ultra-thin desk fan comes with 100 individual speed levels, so you control airflow exactly the way you want it. Tap it up once, and it escalates from a whisper soft breeze all the way to a powerful wind tunnel. Built-in battery runs for hours on a single charge with a live display showing your speed and battery level at all times. Fold it flat, throw it in your bag. Take it everywhere. Desk, bed, commute, travel. Whisper quiet, but seriously powerful. This isn't a basic fan, it's your personal climate system. 12. 240 watt multi-port GaN smart charger. Your current charger is already behind the times. You just haven't noticed yet. This 240 watt smart GaN charger powers your laptop, phone, tablet, and more, all at the same time, with 0 slowdown. Next-gen fast charging across every port. A real-time display tracks both power output and temperature. Live so you always know what's happening. And here's the kicker, it receives firmware updates, which means it actually improves over time and never becomes outdated. One charger, every device, forever ready. This isn't just charging, it's future-proof power. 13. 10,000 lux full spectrum therapy. Light low energy, no motivation. That heavy flat feeling you can't shake, especially through winter or long stretches indoors. Flip this on, 10,000 lux of full spectrum light hits like actual daylight, instantly lifting your mood, sharpening your focus, and resetting your internal clock. Adjustable brightness, adjustable warmth, remote control, all dialed into your preference. 0 UV, 0 harsh glare, just clean, natural feeling light across a wide panel that fills your whole space. Use it every morning and feel the difference within days. This isn't just a lamp, it's your daily mood reset. 14. Magnetic self-adhesive cable management clips. Your desk looks clean at a glance. Then you look at the cables. Absolute chaos. These magnetic cable clips fix that in about 30 seconds flat. Snap your charger in and it stays exactly where you left it. No more cables sliding off the back. No more tangled disasters on the floor. Industrial strength adhesive sticks to desks, walls, your car dash, anywhere you need it. Works with phone cables, USB-C, basically anything with a wire. And when you need to unplug, it releases instantly, smooth, every time. It's a small upgrade, but your entire setup suddenly looks premium. Clean desk, clear mind, done. That's your list, 14 gadgets that aren't just cool to look at. They actually do something. No gimmicks, no fluff, just real tech that earns its spot in your life. If even one of these made you think, I need that, you already know what to do. Hit subscribe to Fun Tech Blaze for more hard-hitting tech every single week. Every product link is waiting for you down in the description. Go grab what you need, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't be late.